Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best magnetic gel nail polish is probably one of the most captivating and versatile nail trends to emerge in recent years, offering a stunning, multidimensional effect that mimics the allure of a cat's eye or the depth of a galaxy with just a simple swipe of a magnet. This innovative polish allows you to achieve salon-quality, eye-catching designs right at home, transforming your nails into miniature works of art that shift and shimmer with every movement, making it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their nail game with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. MIZHSE 9D Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set. Discover the MIZHSE 9D Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set, your new go-to for stunning nail art. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. This set features a glitter chameleon magnetic gel polish in a mesmerizing galaxy effect. It's perfect for creating unique and eye-catching manicures. With the included magnet sticks, applying the magnetic gel polish is simple and fun. Get that perfect cat eye effect with ease. Enjoy a beautiful, soak-off LED nail art finish that lasts. The rich black color base enhances the holographic effect for a truly dazzling look. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for a thoughtful gift, this nail polish set is an excellent choice. Elevate your nail game with this versatile collection. What we like. This offers a stunning galaxy effect with chameleon colors. If you love a dramatic, multidimensional look, this is for you. It's perfect for those who want to stand out with a unique, eye-catching manicure. What people say. The polish is very pigmented and applies smoothly. It creates a beautiful, salon-quality cat eye effect. The magnet tool included is easy to use and effective. Number 4. Beautpal Magnetic Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set. Introducing the Beautpal Magnetic Jelly Gel Nail Polish Set. Achieve stunning, salon-quality manicures right at home with this versatile collection. Explore a spectrum of 10 beautiful, semi-transparent pastel colors. Each shade offers a unique, eye-catching finish for endless creative possibilities. Experience the captivating cat eye effect with our specially formulated gel polishes. Create depth and dimension with a simple swipe of the magnet. Enjoy the convenience of an easy soak-off formula. Removing your gel polish is a breeze, protecting your natural nails. Perfect for both home DIY enthusiasts and nail salon professionals. These 7 ml bottles provide ample product for multiple applications. Elevate your nail game with this professional-grade gel polish set. Get the look and feel of a salon manicure without leaving your house. What we like. Experience a unique jelly-like finish in beautiful pastel shades. If you prefer a softer, more translucent look, this set is ideal. It's perfect for creating delicate, dreamy manicures suitable for everyday wear or special occasions. What people say. The magnetic effect is strong and creates beautiful cat eye designs. The polish applies smoothly and cures quickly under a UV LED lamp. Comes with a magnet wand that is easy to use for creating different patterns. Number 3. Ideal Swan Magnetic Nail Tool Set. Discover the Ideal Swan Magnetic Nail Tool Set, your key to stunning nail art. This comprehensive kit empowers you to create professional-looking designs with ease. Achieve the captivating cat eye look effortlessly. Our powerful magnets help you craft intricate lines and mesmerizing patterns for a truly unique finish. Go beyond the ordinary and explore a universe of nail art possibilities. Create luxurious velvet textures, dazzling galaxy effects, and eye-catching 3D designs with this versatile set. Experience salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. This easy-to-use kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced nail artists alike. With 8 essential pieces, this professional magnet kit has everything you need. Elevate your manicure game and express your creativity with Ideal Swan. What we like. This provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating various magnetic effects. If you enjoy experimenting with different nail art designs like velvet or 3D, this kit is a must-have. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals looking for versatility. What people say. The polish applies smoothly and evenly, creating a beautiful, glossy finish. The magnetic effect is strong and creates stunning cat eye designs with ease. It cures quickly under UV LED lamp, resulting in a durable and long-lasting manicure. Number 2. 5D Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Kit. Discover the magic of our 5D Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Kit. Achieve stunning, multidimensional effects with ease. This 6-piece set features magnetic gel polishes that create captivating chameleon and gem-like finishes. Watch your nails transform before your eyes. Get salon-quality results at home. Our formula is designed for smooth application and long-lasting wear. Experiment with different patterns and looks using the included magnet. Let your creativity shine with every manicure. Surprise a friend or treat yourself to this versatile and exciting nail polish set. It's the ultimate addition to any nail art collection. What we like? Achieve a captivating 5D effect with a gem-like shine. If you desire a truly magical and dynamic nail transformation, this is your choice. It's perfect for those who want their nails to look like precious jewels with shifting colors. What people say? The magnet is very strong and creates a beautiful cat eye effect. The polish applies smoothly and cures quickly under a UV lamp. The colors are vibrant and have a nice shimmer. Number 1. Beetles Bubbly Mixology Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set. Discover the Beetles Bubbly Mixology Cat Eye Gel Nail Polish Set. This kit offers a stunning array of 8 pastel spring shimmer shades, perfect for creating unique nail art. Explore a delightful spectrum of colors including pink, blue, orange, green, yellow, and purple. Each shade provides a beautiful shimmer and glitter finish. Experience the luxurious velvet gel finish that adds an extra touch of elegance to your manicure. It's designed for a smooth and effortless application. Enjoy the convenience of a soak-off formula that's easy to remove. It cures beautifully under a UV lamp for a long-lasting, salon-quality finish. Transform your nails at home with this DIY-friendly kit. Create professional-looking manicures that will turn heads, all from the comfort of your home. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This gel polish kit is an ideal present for women who love to express their style through their nails. Surprise someone special today. What we like? Discover a delightful range of pastel spring colors with a luxurious velvet finish. If you're looking for a soft, sophisticated, and trendy manicure, this set is perfect. It's ideal for those who love seasonal palettes and elegant textures. What people say? The polish has a good consistency and is easy to apply. The magnetic effect is strong and creates beautiful cat eye designs. It cures well under UV LED lamp and lasts for a long time without chipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.